So in previous class we discussed about the concept of intercept. So intercept is the distance on x and y axis that is made by the straight line. That is, if straight line cuts the x axis, then distance on the x axis is x intercept, and distance on y axis is known as the y intercept. So here in this module we are going to study intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line. So observe here. So this is the x axis, this is y axis. The straight line cuts the x axis at A and y axis at B. The straight line cuts the x axis at A and y axis at B. Therefore, OA equal to x intercept, OB equal to y intercept. If this equal to small a, if this equal to small a and this equal to small b, then the point A is given by a comma 0. So that is this equal to a. The point is a comma 0. The point on B, so that is 0 comma B. So therefore this equal to B. So therefore OA equal to A x intercept, OB equal to B, that is y intercept. So therefore the point A corresponds to A comma 0. Point B corresponds to 0 comma B. This is 0 comma B. This is A comma 0. So already we studied that 2 points are known here. 2 points are known. So therefore, the equation of straight line, if 2 points are given, then equation of straight line is given by 2-point form of a line. So therefore, using 2 points, the equation of line is given by, so here this one is x1 y1, this one is x2 y2. So therefore this is x1 y1, this one is x2 y2. Yes. Then using 2 points form, find the equation, write the equation of the line. So therefore A equal to A comma 0, B equal to, so that is x1 y1, B corresponds to 0 comma B, x2 y2. By 2-point formula, by 2-point form of line, that is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Therefore, y minus y1 is 0, x minus x1 is a. This equal to y minus y1, x minus x1, this equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, b minus 0, x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. This equal to y upon x minus a, this equal to x minus a. So that is y minus x upon a, this equal to b upon minus a. So just transfer this. So therefore y upon b is equal to, take this x minus a upon a, that is minus a. So this is equal to y by b, this is equal to, separate these two. So this is minus into bracket minus of b by a. So therefore this is equal to x minus a, minus x upon a plus a upon a. Bring this side, x by a plus y by b. So a upon a, x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. So x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1 is the equation of the line in intercept form, where a is the x intercept, b is the y intercept. Therefore intercept form of a line is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1, or x upon x intercept plus y upon y intercept equal to 1. A is the x intercept, b is the y intercept, x upon x intercept, y upon y intercept equal to 1. Find the equation of a line whose x and y intercepts are 2 and 3 respectively. Here x intercept is 2, y intercept is 3. So therefore x intercept a equal to 2, y intercept b equal to 3. So intercepts are given, therefore intercept form of line is x upon a, y upon b equal to 1. Therefore x upon a is 2 plus y upon b is 3 equal to 1. So simplify this. This equal to 3x plus 2y divided by 6 equal to 1. 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Cross multiply, this becomes 6. Therefore 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of line when intercepts are given. 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Find the x and y intercepts made by the line 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So here our aim is to find the x intercept and y intercept, that is distance made on the x axis and y axis by the line. So first write the given equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 6. To convert this in terms of intercept form, so x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So here RHS is equal to 1. So therefore divide by 6. Therefore 2x upon 6 plus 3y upon 6, 6 upon 6. Therefore x upon 3, y upon 2 equal to 1. So now it is of the intercept form. Therefore it is of the form x upon a, y upon b equal to 1. Therefore, this implies a equal to 3 and this is x intercept. B equal to 2, this is y intercept. So, this is sufficient